In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and WooCommerce. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the customer/order/coupon export extension using Google and the WooCommerce extensions marketplace. This add-on is useful when you need to export stored data for reports, backups, or sharing with other tools, and will keep the process simple and clear. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type WooCommerce. You're looking for the official WooCommerce website result. Before you click, take a quick look at the URL and make sure it's the legitimate woocommerce.com address. This small check helps you avoid lookalike pages and ensures you land in the right place on your first try. Once you're on the WooCommerce site, find the extensions area. Depending on the layout you see, it may be labeled Extensions or Marketplace in the top navigation. Click it to open the catalog of official add-ons. If you're prompted to sign in or see a dashboard first, that's normal. Just proceed to extensions from there. The marketplace can be large, so we'll use search to jump straight to what we need. Inside the extensions catalog, locate the search field. In that box, type the exact name: Customer, Order, Coupon Export for WooCommerce. Typing the full name helps filter out similar tools and brings the correct listing to the top. If you don't see it right away, double-check the spacing and the slashes in the name, and make sure you're searching the entire marketplace rather than within a narrow category. You can also briefly try the keyword export to confirm it appears among the top results. When you see the customer order coupon export for WooCommerce listing, click it to open the product page. Here, you can review what the extension does in detail, including which export formats it supports, typical use cases, compatibility notes, and version updates. You'll usually find screenshots or examples that show how exports are configured and scheduled. Take a moment to scan the requirements so you know it matches your WooCommerce version and your store's setup. This page is also where you'll see pricing, documentation links, and support options provided by the publisher. That's the full path. Search for WooCommerce on Google, go to the official site, open extensions, type Customer Order Coupon Export for WooCommerce, and click the listing. With these steps, you can quickly locate the tool and evaluate whether it meets your store's needs. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along in real time.